Now, how to change the remote pairing frequency from public to private. By default, the remote is designed to control all battery packs within a 30 feet radius. This is nice if you have multiple sets of greenery. If you'd like to change your remote and pack from a public frequency to a private frequency, say, for example, your neighbors have the same set and they're tired of you turning on and off their stuff, you might want to follow these instructions. On the battery pack, press and hold the button for 5 seconds. The lights in the greenery will start blinking rapidly. Now once blinking, press and hold the brightness plus and minus buttons simultaneously until the pack stops rapidly blinking. Your pack and remote are now functioning on a private channel. Repeat this same process with any other greenery items you wish to use on the same frequency as this remote that you just set up. Now to reset your pack and remote to the public frequency, the default frequency, press the button on the battery pack for 5 seconds until it starts to blink rapidly. Once blinking, press the button on the pack again. This resets the pack. To reset the remote, remove the batteries, wait 5 seconds, and reinstall. The remote is now reset back to the default public frequency.